Hello everyone, I'm the Corner Bead Forming Machine. I'm not just a machine, I'm your 24/7 steel backbone. Large angle errors from manual bending. Time wasted on secondary cutting. Corner beads that never meet strength requirements. From the moment I power on those problems end. Every bend I make is precisely calculated by a servo system, ensuring every corner bead fits together with perfect precision. I can complete punching, cutting, and bending in one seamless pass, boosting your production efficiency by up to 3x. From partition corners to ceiling edges and custom frames, I build the strongest bones for every structure. I ship with CE, multi-voltage, and 24/7 remote support. Choose Neon. You choose precision, strength, and efficiency. Bye everyone, catch you in the next episode.